Mucho gusto, soy estudiante de la Universidad Abierta y a Distancia y este video va dirigido al curso de inglés. My name is Angie Melissa Álvarez Cruz. I am Colombiana. I am from Florencia, Caquetá. I am a student. I live in Neiva Huila. I speak Spanish. I am 22 years old. I like to read and mature. I don't like to play soccer. I am studying in system engineer. This is my daily activity. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning every day and take a shower. Then I get dressed and I make breakfast for my family. At 8 o'clock we had breakfast, then clean house and kitchen. I play with my daughter, Maya Cataleya and Valerie. Then I cook lunch, and at 1 o'clock we had lunch. Then I clean kitchen, and at 3 o'clock we take a nap until 4 o'clock. Then we play in the park for children, and 7 o'clock we cook dinner, and 8 o'clock we had dinner and watch TV until 9 o'clock, and then we go to bed. Thank you.